Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making sure you have an administrator account and its password. This gives you the rights to change account settings. Once logged in as admin, open Settings, go to Accounts, then Family and other users to locate the guest or limited local account. Make the account if it's missing, then pause to verify it appears under other users. This initial setup ensures you can apply restrictions safely without locking yourself out of the system. Next, you tighten permissions. Open Computer Management and local users and groups to move the guest into users only, removing administrator and power users' rights. That prevents system-wide changes. Once done, configure sign-in options to disable passwordless or PIN for that account if appropriate. Then, enable App Locker or Windows Family safety controls to restrict apps and websites. This layered approach controls both what the account can do and which programs it can run, reducing attack surface. Finally, sign out and test the guest account directly to confirm restrictions. Try opening administrative tools, installing software, and accessing restricted folders. Make sure those actions are blocked. If they aren't, double-check local group policy and App Locker rules and confirm relevant services like Microsoft Account Sign-In Assistant are running. If things break unexpectedly, restore via the admin account and review Event Viewer for denial errors. That log points to the specific policy or service you need to correct.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.